Hi there, it's Kolisile Retail Investor speaking here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Well, in this video, I just want to share with you this powerful classical chart pattern which you can use actually to trade when the market is about to break out, or to invest when the market is about to break out of a resistance or a support. All right. So this is called an ascending triangle, guys. Normally what happens, you'll find that the price it keeps on going up, making a series of higher lows, but it finds resistance at a certain price level. For example, you'll find that the price goes up and then it finds resistance at a certain point, it comes back and it goes up again. It finds resistance to the same area, for example, here, and then it comes back and then it goes up again. It finds resistance again, it goes down, it goes up again, and then you notice that it makes this series of higher lows here, and also series of higher lows here, and the series of higher lows here, while it's finding a resistance at a certain price level. So now with this, we kind of form what call an ascending triangle, something like that. So now we have this triangle here which we've just formed, where why the price is forming this pattern. So that's why it's called an ascending triangle. All right, so I hope this demonstration was kind of clear. But now let's take a look at the price action now. Instead of looking at a drawing, look at what's happening here. This is clicks. This is the chart of clicks, the weekly chart of clicks. You can see the price pushed up, came back, and then it pushed up again, and then it came back. Now it made a higher low now, and then it went up again, and then it came back there, another higher low. It went up, came back, another higher low. It went up, it came back, another higher low. As it moves up, it keeps on making this series of higher lows here and here and here, here and here. You can see now with this series of higher lows, and then eventually it broke out this resistance here. It broke that resistance, it was violated, but before that, that resistance was acting as a very strong level of structure there, preventing the price from going above. Every time the price comes there, it will get rejected, but it will make a series of higher lows, so forming this chart pattern here, which we call an ascending triangle. So this is a very good chart that you can use for trend continuation and also for reversal, because as you can see here, we formed this triangle here. You can see we were forming this triangle in terms of price action, which is a quite good classical chart pattern that you can use for entry points before the price break out. So there was an opportunity here to keep on adding shares as the price makes this series of higher lows. So you buy this dip as the price make these higher lows. If it comes back again, you buy another dip. If it comes back, you keep on adding, and then you add here, and then you add on the breakout as the price goes upward, making good profit. All right, so this is a very good classical chart pattern, guys, to use on your technical analysis, but make sure that you're using on stocks that have superior fundamentals. As you can see here, we've been forming this part for this pattern for quite long on clicks. Even here it was formed with that level there, and then we have this series of higher lows. As you can see, price was going down and then up, down, up, down, up, but kept on making this series of higher lows. Eventually we had that breakout, which was actually beautiful. All right, now let me show you this example again on another stock, which is also a good example, ShopRite. I even made a video on ShopRite proposing it as an investing idea on this channel, and currently the position is doing quite well, and I am up by around 9% on that position. As you can see here, ShopRite is actually trading very strongly upward. When I made the video, actually it was trading around here. This is the point where ShopRite was trading at, so there was an opportunity here for buy opportunities there. So I entered somewhere here around this area here. So now currently I'm in profit. As you can see, the price is pushing upward aggressively. So if you look at this again, the very same chart pattern was shown at this level of resistance here. As the price kept on making a series of higher lows. You can see we had a higher low here, we had another higher low there, but we kept on the price kept on being rejected at this level here around 161 and 154 rand per share. So it was founding resistance at this level, while it was making a series of higher lows, meaning that buyers were in control, sellers were not able to push the price all the way downward. And eventually what happened, we just got that nice breakout, and as you can see here, the price is continuing up very, very, very strongly. And I made this video before the price was even there. It was around trading at this candlestick here. It was just above this level after the breakout, and the signal was this one now, this red candlestick here. Because after this breakout, we had this one, price was trying to fail. It was like attempting to make a false breakout, trying to close below this level, but buyers came back and then supported the price, and then that candlestick it closed as a bullish pin bar. So that was a signal that buyers were in control. That's where this price action here actually caught my attention, and then I was buying the stock as it goes upward. All right, so you can see this chart pattern, it was also formed here and it worked quite well here. That was a nice move. If you were able to identify this thing before, you would probably now you would be in good profit because it was a signal for buy. But at least I made a video on my channel, so meaning that if you watch the video, you were able to buy that and be in profit. Even here the pattern was formed again, then we had a breakout, then second pattern, a breakout again, and I was explaining the same thing on that video which I posted on my channel, which is here. This is the video that I was explaining here last time. It was posted last week, this video. So it was ShopRite stock investing ideas. So that was a profitable trade. All right, so now if you look at ShopRite again, I'm also involved into this stock show, I mean Standard Bank, not ShopRite. It's also doing the same thing. Currently it's breaking out, and I also spotted the pattern and I liked it. As you can see here, the price, it's finding resistance at this level here, and it keeps on testing that level, but at the same time it's making a series of higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, forming this triangle here. As you can see now, we have this triangle, and the price currently now it is attempting to break out this triangle and continue higher. So these are tight consolidation toward a very significant level of structure in terms of the price. And then also the company, in terms of the fundamentals, you can see it has kind of superior fundamentals. So I will be holding this position all the way up to these levels. This is where I am looking forward to dump my shares, because I see a very strong level of structure at that area here. As you can see, it was previously tested here and also here, so it will act as a very strong level of resistance, and we could see price getting rejected there and start to range within these two levels here. So now it is still a good buy because it is still just breaking above that level. The breakout is still quite new. All right, so this is another stock that you could be adding using the very same chart pattern. And also if you look at MTN again, we had the same chart pattern on MTN before the stock actually violated that level of resistance. You can see here this was formed, but on weekly time frame at this area here. But if you go to the lower time frame, you could see that now this is more clear and visible on lower time frame. Hence here it is. Look at this here. Price was finding resistance at this level here, and also here and here, but at the same time it was making this series of higher lows, forming this ascending triangle, which you see here. Then eventually where they break out, the retest, and then all the way upward there with huge volume. So this is a quite important chart pattern that you need to take into consideration when you're analyzing your stock for trend continuation. It also works for as a trend reversal. All right, so that's it. Let me quickly show you the position that I'm holding from this, because this account, it's new actually. Not that it's new, I had money on it and then I withdraw some of the cash and then I used it for something else, but then I deposited again recently, I think last week, when I was buying this stock, because I saw an opportunity. I think I deposited around 25k. So currently it's doing well. So this position, they are new. I just bought these things based on my analysis that I was doing, and also sharing them on YouTube in this channel here. So if you check my holdings, currently I'm up by 6.38%, which is quite good. The profit of 797, that is awesome, because these purchases are just recent. I just bought these things like this week. I bought them this week, and so last week ShopRite. So they're currently doing well. So it's, this portfolio currently does 2 weeks now in existence with this capital here, because this is a recent deposit. And you can see now my ShopRite shares, they are up by 9.8%. That is good. I made a video and I posted it on public. Currently I bought Standard Bank. Standard Bank is also doing quite well there. And then also then those ones, it was not a breakout, it was just a pullback, which is Anglo American, Platinum, and also Goldfields. All right, So it's quite good chart pattern that you can actually use in conjunction with the fundamentals. Of course, it doesn't work all the time, but in terms of probability, it works in more often than as a failed pattern. It's more successful than the failure. If you were to look in terms of the probabilities, I would say that it has like 60% chances of winning. So it means it has more edge than failing. All right. So you have an edge in terms of statistical, but you cannot use it as a standalone. You still need to consult the fundamentals, the revenues, your balance sheet, your income statements, your net income, your free cash flow, the competitive advantage, the debt of the company, etc., etc. All right, guys, with that being said, I will see you in the next video. I hope you gain something from this technical analysis short video, and I will continue making these awesome educational videos for you guys. Have a great day, have a great week, have a great year. Bye.